Hello, this is Frank speaking. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you more about what RJC can serve. If you are a process engineer, please follow my videos, okay? So in RJC, we also offer rapid prototyping and CNC machining from low volume to high volume. We can serve you all the way. So now we are at the booth on site. Let me show you some samples that from our booth. As you can see, that we have made multiple kind of parts that's for different industrials with different surface finish. Like for example, this one. Yeah, this one we made for the automation line that produce the medical equipment with the CNC machining, with the aluminum, with the Teflon coating, that we made a perfect product and delivered to US market. And also others like all this one from bicycle industrials, for the key production equipment that provides to German markets. And the herb grinder accessories. And the other equipment connectors. So RJC can make the very precise components for your products and bring and also help on your process improvement. Thank you very much.